guys, and welcome to 1 at 448 Rockingham Road. So as we see here, we've got the front door, bit of space to the left. You come through, you have immediate access to the garage. Like that. Double car, of course. Close this for the noise. Through immediately here, we have a long corridor with a lot of rooms off it. So you got here, lots of them have closets. Here we have the bathroom, water closet and the laundry. If we continue straight, then we have a kitchen, a walk-in closet. Plenty of space here. I'll show you the garden as well. Space out there for entertaining and stuff. Super low maintenance. If we go through here, take you upstairs, I'll show you what we've got up there. So up the stairs we've got a little area here. Immediately to the left we've then got the bathroom. That's me. And through here, these double doors, we have the master bedroom. So plenty of space here. Got your own balcony. Nice views of the street. And obviously walk-in closet. Functions as an ensuite as well as a main entrance. Questions? Let me know. Cheers.